Congratulations, you're one step away from claiming unclaimed property and or funds in the state of Indiana. So what I've done is the link I provided you in the book or the booklet will take you directly to this page, and then you simply start by a search, a simple search. So I put in the last name of Martin, first name Mark. Don't know anybody named Mark Martin other than a NASCAR driver. So then you hit search and you wait for a few minutes, and this is going to indicate that it's working. It's working. It's where it's verifying your browser so that you're not a spam bot that's trying to get all these unclaimed funds. And there, it'll show you exactly what's going on. So if you see $20, $16, $10, it doesn't look like a lot of money, but here you have over $100. That could be anything. It could be a couple hundred up to 1,000. So what you would do for this one is you would, and it's from PayPal, so maybe you paid something through PayPal and then it was rejected, or you bought something and it never made it to your place. And if you lived at 747 South Westerfield Road in Hebron, Indiana, well, then you can try to file a claim. Click on the claim button and continue to file a claim. In the drop-down menu at the end, you want to make sure that you tell whoever it is, if it's yourself, if it's an heir, if it's a trustee, or if it's a legal representative. So for this, we will just go to owner, file a claim, and on this next page, this is all the information that they need right now. Fill in every single box and don't leave anything empty. But the most important things are, obviously, you have to know your social security number or tax ID number, your current email address, and your current physical mailing address must be correct in order for you to get a check from any state that issues a claim. After you hit claim, you will receive a confirmation email that will show you their claim ID number. It will also give you a list of documents to upload. Along with that, they will provide you a direct link to upload everything, where you can scan it or you can take a picture of it and then upload it that way. Either way, make sure you upload everything they're asking for in order to speed along the claim process. Process takes between 30 to 90 days. I tell people typically you're going to wait 90 days because there's tens of thousands of people that are filing claims every single day. So you just have to be patient. But once you do get your claim and you've received a certain dollar amount, if you want to share it with me, take a picture of yourself with your check. I would love to see it and share it with everybody else.